In this video, I will show you how to download and install TikTok. So let's jump straight into it. So I'll be showing you how to do this today on my iPhone, but the steps are pretty much the same if you're using like an Android device. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the App Store if you're on iPhone. If you're on an Android device, that's going to be the Play Store. What you then want to do is locate the search button. So on the App Store, that's down in the bottom right hand corner. Give that a press. Then what we can do is just go ahead and search for TikTok. So once you found the app, you're going to see a button to the right. Mine's a picture of a cloud because I've previously installed TikTok on this device. But for yourself, if it's a brand new device, it's going to say get or install. So what you want to do is give that button a press. And as you can see, that's going to start downloading onto your device. So we're just going to give that a minute or two to download. And once the app has finished downloading, as you can see, we're now going to get this open button. So what you want to do is press on to open to go ahead and open up TikTok. What you can then do is sign in to TikTok if you do have an account. If you don't have an account, then you can come down to the bottom and press the sign up button to create an account. For myself, I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google. So what I'm going to do is sign in with Google just like so. And once you've created your account or signed in with your previous account, it's going to take you through a basic setup process. So what it's going to do first is ask you to choose your interest, because what TikTok is going to do is show you videos based on your interest. So for example, we could select like animals and tech and whichever ones you want. You don't have to do this. This is completely optional. As you can see at the bottom, there is a skip button. But if you want to do this, just select your interest and then press next. Then you can choose whether you want TikTok to send you notifications and then just go ahead and press start watching. And here we are, as you can see on TikTok. So we can just start using TikTok, no problem. And we can come to our profile and start uploading our own content if we want to. So that is how to download and install TikTok. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.